Assalamu alaikum my dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Professor of Islam Studies of National International School, Day Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today I am about to take an Islam Studies class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is Assignment 2 Discussion 7th week. Today's topic is Assignment 2 Discussion 7th week. Term half yearly. Today's lecture number 18. Okay, dear students, let's come to the board and listen. This is the structure which is provided by our government. Translate from Bengali to English. Today's assignment on chapter 2 and lesson number and topic is lesson chapter 2 lesson 1 Salat, lesson 2 different kinds of Salat, and lesson 3 Salat for Eid. Okay, dear students, assignment or assigned tasks. Suppose you are a student of class 7, you perform Salat 5 times a day with Jamaat regularly in the mosque. Describe how you will perform Salat in the situation described below. Write descriptions of any three. Write descriptions of any three. Dear students, there are 4 matter included here, but you have to write only any 3. Number 1, in COVID-19 situation, following health safety rules. Number 2, if 1 or 2 rakat salat become masbuk in salat. Number 3, salat of Maghrib, Isha and Fajr of Musafir or traveler. Number 4, Salat for sick people when you are not able to stand or sit. Okay, dear students, you have to follow this instruction. The basic needs of the content have to be identified in the light of chapter 2 of the textbook. Number 2, if necessary, help can be taken from supporting books. Number 3, the overall idea can be taken about the accuracy of the subject by discussing with the family members. Number 4, no exact information should be copied directly from the source for the submission of assignment. Number 5, assignment must have to be submitted on handwriting. Okay, it is very important. You have to must submit your assignment on handwriting. Don't compose. Okay, dear students, now come to board. Different kinds of salat in different situation. Dear students, you have to write firstly the topic of assignment on the cover page. This headline you can use. Different kinds of salat in different situation, because there are 4 kinds of salat in different situation are mentioned here. You have to write any 3 of them, but I mentioned 4 of them. You have to write any 3 of them. Number 1, salat in COVID-19 situation. In COVID-19 situation, I can perform 5 times salat a day with Jamaat regularly by following health safety rules. Number 1, I will go to the mosque, must wear mask. Number 2, I will use my own sheet of prayer or Zainamaz. Number 3, I will stand in the row or qatar by maintaining social distance, and it is minimum 3 feet distance between 2 muqtadi. Number 4, I will try to take ablution from my house. Number 5, I will take ablution. If I will take ablution from the tap of the mosque, then I wash my hands, 2 hands with soap minimum 20 seconds. Then I will perform my whole ablution. Number 7, after performing salat, come out from the mosque by maintaining social distance, etc. Okay, dear students, this is the very important question. COVID situation, Salat in COVID situation 19, Salat in COVID-19 situation. There are 6 points are mentioned here. If you want to mention a lot of points, no problem, it will be very good for carrying good comments. Number 2, if 1 or 2 rakat salat become a masbuk. Dear students, if I become masbuk in 1 rakat or 2 rakat salat, it is very important to know what is masbuk. So firstly, you have to define definition of masbuk. He who has already missed 1 or more rakat in the salat and performs the rest of the salat with the imam in jamaat is called masbuk. Dear students, if any musalli miss 1 rakat or more than 1 rakat with the imam, then he is called masbuk. Now, if I miss 1 rakat, I will stand up after finishing the imam his salam by saying assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Then I will stand up and perform my 1 rakat salat as usual, such as I after standing recite bismillah and recite auzullah and bismillah, and then recite surah fatiha and another surah and go to ruku and sijda as usual, my finished 2nd rakat. Okay, if I missed 2 rakat after the imam makes salam, I stand up and complete 2 rakats as usual, such as I can perform my 2 rakats which is missed with imam, as like as 2 rakat Faroz salat of Fajr, such as I have to recite surah fatiha and another surah, and everything should have recite in salat, and the last position of baitak I have to recite tashahud, durud and dua masura, and then I have finished my salat by saying salam in right side assalamu alaikum rahmatullah and left side assalamu alaikum rahmatullah, like this. Okay, dear students, now we will start. You can also follow page number 28 to 29 for making reach your assignment, and also take help other books. Number 3, if I become musafir in salat of Maghrib, Isha and Fajr, then what should I do? Allah the Almighty said in the Holy Quran, وَإِذَا ضَرَبْتُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ فَلَيْسَ عَلَيْكُمْ جُنَاحٌ أَن تَقْصُرُوا مِنَ الصَّلَاةِ. Surah An-Nisa, verse number 101. Allah the Almighty declared, وَإِذَا ضَرَبْتُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ فَلَيْسَ عَلَيْكُمْ جُنَاحٌ أَن تَقْصُرُوا مِنَ الصَّلَاةِ. When you travel on over the earth, then it is not seen to shorten your salat. Surah An-Nisa, verse number 101. So, only one, we can only shorten our salat, which salat are 4 rakats, such as Zuhur prayer, Asr prayer and Isha prayer. But here mention Maghrib, Isha and Fajr prayer. Maghrib and Fajr prayer, there is no qasr, because Maghrib salat is only 3 rakat and 3 rakat salat has no qasr, and Fajr prayer is only 2 rakat, it is also no qasr. So I have to be perform full 3 rakat Maghrib and full 2 rakat Fajr prayer. And only Isha, when I perform Isha and become Musafir, then should have performed 2 rakat of Faroz, only Faroz 2 rakat and give up 2 rakat. But if I follow the any Mukim Imam who is the citizen of the regularly staying that place, then should have performed 4 rakat, because follow the Imam is wajib for the Musalli. So when I perform Isha along, then should have only 2 rakat, and when I perform Isha, I am Musafir but Mukim Imam, then should have follow 4 rakat. Okay, dear students, you can also follow page number 29 to 30 page from your text for writing this question number 3. Now we start question number 4. When I am not able to stand or sit for the time of performing salat, if I am utterly unable to stand up for the prayer, I am to offer the prayer in the sitting with ruku and sijda. If I sit unable to perform ruku and sijda, I will perform the salat by making symbolic signs. While saying the prayer using the symbolic signs, I have to bend the head a little in the ruku and a little more in the sijda. If the patient, or if I become like this patient too weak to sit, then he has or I have to sit legs towards the Qibla and lay by laying on the any wall or any table or chair or any pillow and upright the knee from the floor. Then I am perform my salat with the symbolic sign of my head. It is not applicable, it is not acceptable that if I perform my salat with only symbol of eye, because it is not acceptable according to the Islamic Sharia. So I can perform my salat laying on floor by symbolic sign of head. If it is impossible to laying on bed, laying on any wall or any chair or table, then I can also perform my salat by laying on my head become the north side and leg followed the south side and lie right part and say my salat symbolic sign of head and say salam by symbolic sign assalamu alaikum rahmatullah, assalamu alaikum rahmatullah, as possible. Okay, dear students, it's enough today's lecture about the discussion of 7th week assignment number 2 of religion, and today's assignment submission date is 24 June 24 June. So it is only you get 2 or 3 days. Tomorrow Thursday you have to submit your assignment. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood this topic clearly. Keep practicing at home, avoid your parents, and you have to do your assignment very properly and completely and submit on assigned date. No more today. See you again inshallah with another topic. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.